Today is June 13th, 2023, and it's about 7:30 p.m., but I just wanted to share with my friends and neighbors, wanted to make a quick video, how appreciative I am. I hired a cleaning service. It was husband and wife, Meirlene Cleaning, and I got the referral off actually next door. It was a high review, a great review, but I wanted to share how what a beautiful job she did. This was so dirty when we first moved in, and honestly, I tried to clean it, never could clean it as well as Meirlene did, but she did an amazing job. And Jim's got the little canister that went in here was so old and just we never even used this, so Jim has to now replace that, which we're going to do tonight. But she cleaned, just deep cleaned. These cabinets are 20 something years old, and she just did, I mean, she was in here scrubbing, and they were here for probably 5.5 hours, and they cleaned the entire house, including the mudroom, under the refrigerator. I mean, they mopped, they swept, and it was extremely reasonable. I think she pretty much did all the baseboards, all my, I have to put everything back. My bathrooms, my showers, we have the hard water here, but they mopped, they swept, and she actually only charged me $400. Of course, we gave her a tip. I did not know she was gonna do the entire house, but they cleaned the bathroom, the mirrors, the showers, the blinds. They did an amazing, they scrubbed the bathtub. So I just wanted to share, they did the blinds behind the toilet. I mean, the toilets, it was amazing what she did. And then they have a really high power vacuum, which was great because tomorrow we're having the carpets cleaned. So I just wanted to share that I'm very, very, very impressed. And just a humble couple. I'll send you the information. And yeah, they're from Pittsburgh, and so they drove all the way out here with just a day's notice. So of course I've got to put all my kitchen items back, but it smells amazing in here, and I'm very, very impressed. So if you need a house cleaning service, this was another one that I could not even open because there was so much gunk in here. And now we've got to buy the new little gadget that goes in there to hold all the sponges and whatnot. But they got up in the windows and just, yeah, super, super impressed.